We're going to make it rain again, people, because we're talking about Craigslist money today. So Craigslist is used by over 50 million people, okay? And mostly Americans, okay? So that means there's a lot of money there. 50 million Americans is, I mean, Americans have a lot of money. So, and billions of page views they serve per month. So you can make a lot of money on Craigslist if you just know how to reach people. Fortunately for you, I'm going to be going over two methods today, and I have a special bonus for you at the end of today's video. I'm going to show you from soup to nuts how to post, how to get free traffic on Craigslist, and how to monetize it, how to make money from Craigslist traffic. We're going to go on my computer just a second here. I'll show you how. So now the first thing we have to do as in any business to start making money is we have to get some products to sell. Now the easiest way I do to sell products is what's called affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's you're selling other people's products on a commission-only basis. So basically, you get a link, and that's all you need. You post a link. Other sorts of businesses, you have to, like Amazon or eBay or drop shipping, you have to actually go out and buy products and sell them. You have to support them. You have to have a business, a phone number, an address for returns. All that's too complicated. So I'm always, as always on this channel, going to focus on affiliate marketing. And I suggest you join a lot of the affiliate networks in the links in the description to get started. Now there's a number of affiliate networks I recommend, and all the links are in the description. Now the first one, which is probably one of the cooler ones, is ClickFunnels, and they will actually buy you a car. And if you check this out, here's one of the recipients of a car. I've gotten a car. They pay me $1,000 a month towards my car lease. It's really cool, and they give that once you get 100 sales. So really strong incentive there. There's Six Figure Mentors, which is another affiliate marketing network that you can sign up for. There's the Super Affiliate Network, a highly recommended one that you can find a lot of products inside. It's run by a really cool guy, Misha Barton, based out of Hawaii. There's MaxWeb, there's Digistore, but the affiliate network that we're going to focus on is ClickBank. Now I suggest you sign up for all of these, but the product I'm going to use in the example is called the Super Affiliate System. It's my product, and you will go to ClickBank, you'll have to set up an account, and then you click Affiliate Marketplace right there. And once we're in the affiliate marketplace, we're going to go down to the sidebar here and look in e-business and e-marketing right there. Okay, we're going to click there, and you can see my product is generally one of the top selling products right here, and we can make up to $500. We make $500 on average selling this product, and all we will do to get our affiliate link is to click promote right there, and we will put our account nickname and click generate link. Then we click this button, copy the link, voila. Now I went ahead and actually just shortened the link. I used bit.ly, which is a link shortener. So I just went to bit.ly.com and I shortened the link real quick, and I got my short link. So you just post your link in here and you shorten it and you get your link out. So I put all my links in a notepad just for handy reference. Now let's go to Craigslist and do the first method. So here we are on Craigslist, and Craigslist is a really old looking site. You wouldn't believe that 50 million people per month use this website, but it is. And we want to focus on one section here. We actually want to go to the resumes section right here, right there. We're going to click resumes, and you see a ton of people are looking for work. A ton of people are looking for things to do to make money. Now what we want to do is we have a product, okay? If you're selling my program, you have a product that is teaching people how to make money, okay? So it seems like it's a perfect fit. You have people that are looking to make money. You have an affiliate link that you can send them to. So here's what we do is we're going to open up every one of these. Maybe open up 5 or 10 at a time. I click Control on my keyboard and I'll just click click, 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 click. I'll just keep opening up links, and I'm going to send messages to them all. Now, Craigslist gives you the ability to actually message people. So we're going to click Reply, and you copy and paste this into your email. See that right here? okay? Copy and paste this in your email. So we're going to highlight this. We're going to click copy. We're going to go to our email program. And I use Gmail. I think Gmail is the easiest. And I'm going to write a new email, compose, and I'm just going to paste that sucker in there. And I'm going to write them a message. So now in the message, we'll want to write them an email and we'll want to include our affiliate link in that email. Now once we have our email opened, we have to, we use a subject line and an email. Now to make this real easy, what I've done is I've created a file that has all the methods I use for affiliate marketing in one document. Now stay to the end and I'll be sharing with you how you can access this document so that you can actually copy my message templates if you want to. Now, I do suggest that you modify things to use in your own words. Don't feel like you always have to copy and paste, but you can use my templates and I'll show you how at the end of the training. Now, once again, we need to get this person clicking on our affiliate link and buying from it, okay? So the first step is getting them to click on it. And the first step here is actually getting them to click on the email. So the message title we're going to use is Craigslist Resume. So we're going to post this in the subject line because, once again, this person is looking for work. I'm like endorsing muscle milk right here. Muscle milk gives you stronger muscles just by drinking it. And then I'm going to copy and paste the message template right here. Okay? So I'm going to copy this right into here. Now, what you'll notice is that this link section, what you'll want to do is you'll want to replace this link with your actual affiliate link. Okay? So we'll come here and we'll grab our affiliate link right there. We'll click copy and we will click paste. Okay? And then we'll want to delete this text where it says optional. Now, I put this in here. I said, feel free to follow up with me after you watch the entire training if you have any questions. Now, the reason I put this is because if they have questions, I do not mind answering their questions if I'm going to get a $500 commission, and neither should you. Once again, somebody seeing this, they might think it's just an ad. They might think it's just a way for you to, an affiliate post. But you can't respond to an ad. Whereas if they say something, they say, is this real? Does this really work? Then they might actually want to buy the product that you're selling. And you just say yes. Okay? Or you chat with them. I'll just say, best, John Cristani. So then all we do is we click send and message sent right there. So we sent our first message, and you can do this to as many people in the resume section as possible, okay? Look at the sheer volume of people that are looking for jobs. They're looking for ways to make money, and you can help every one of them and make money yourself doing it. I shot this video a little bit in the past, but you'll see just this day, on October 15th, you see there's like 100 resumes already, okay? And this is just in Los Angeles. Now you can change this to different cities, Las Vegas. You see tons of people you can contact. We change this to another city. We change this to Bakersfield. Tons more resumes. So there's a lot of people you can contact, and all you do is you have to click reply right there, and then you copy and paste their email address. It's that easy. So go out and use this method and you can make a lot of money doing this. By the way, this method will get you a lot of traffic. It'll be really easy. You should be able to get at least 100 clicks an hour if you just keep doing this, okay? So, and you could make $500 a day. I mean, I suggest do this for 8 hours and just message. You can make a lot of money, okay? And this is an easy way. It's free to get started. So dedicate some time. And if you are into this, and if you're gonna do this and take action, type in Craigslist money in the comments. I wanna see who out there is actually gonna take this seriously and just pummel their bank account with new commission checks, okay? So Craigslist money in the comments. Now the second method to make money with Craigslist is actually putting up a post. So there is also a section where you can make money putting up posts that, saying you have work for people. So there's places where people post up that they want to work, and there's places where people post up that they have work. So you can post up where you have work. So now where you would post up you have work is, here I'm on the Bakersfield. It's kind of funny how you just kind of like move around. I'm moving around locations in the world and the internet. I'm in Bakersfield now. So we want to go to the gigs section, and we'll go right here. Well, as you can see what people are posting up. Earn $75,000, mail on, they're all sorts of jobs going on. You know, this is, to be a surrogate mom, you can make $75,000, $1,000 per week, whatever. By the way, side note, there is a lot of jobs in America right now. So those of you who are looking to move to America, it's a great place. There's lots of money out here. Back to Craigslist. So we want to go onto this post area right here, okay? And what we'll want to select is we'll want to select gig offered right there, gig offered, and then you say, I want to hire someone. Okay, so we'll post right there. And then we will select computer gigs right here. We'll click continue. Okay, so now that we're on the posting screen, what you'll want to do is you'll want to write a title and a description. So I already have some stuff written up for me, and you will get this document at the end of the training if you want to mark it based off of my templates. So you would click right here in this document, you would just open it up, you'd click right here, and you'd go down to Craigslist, and as you see, I have the description text, I have the posting title, which is, need a computer-based income you can do from home seeking applicants, and we'll type that in right there, okay? And I'm just gonna type in Bakersfield, since we're posting in Bakersfield. And then the description, we're just gonna copy this, copy, I'm gonna paste this in right here. The way this is written, I'm not gonna explain copywriting in it right now, but this is written to convert. This is written to be personalized for the person reading this so that they feel like they are coming across something special and specifically for them. How we do that is kind of counterintuitive, is we're actually telling them that it's not for a lot of people and it may not be for them. So there's a little play on psychology there. Whenever you tell somebody, you say, hey, shiny carrot, here's a lot of money. But then you, on the other hand, you say, but you can't have it, but this might not be for you. You might not be worthy. You're amping up desire, okay? You show somebody a pot of gold, and then you say, but you can't have it. Now, we say we're looking for a few home workers from, and we'll fill in the text here, we'll say Bakersfield, okay? So you want to replace anything that has brackets, that have 4 to 10 extra hours to do. This is not for everyone, right? We've prepared a presentation outlining the opportunity. Please watch through it in its entirety before contacting us. I could just say, click on this link to watch the presentation, but I'm actually saying more than that. I'm saying this is not for everyone. Watch through it in its entirety, because we don't just want people to click on our link. We want them to watch through the presentation, and we want them to buy. Now, once you get them to click on the link and you get them wanting to watch the presentation will do the work for you to get them to buy. So you don't have to worry about that part. Just as a marketer, you want to get them to the link, clicking on it, and you want to get them buying. So we're going to replace the link with our own. Okay, so we have our short link here that we generated earlier, and we're going to paste it in right there. Boom. And we say, you know, I have a few more marketing language here, and I'll just say describe compensation here. We'll say up to $2,500 per week. Okay? So now I'll also post that in there. Okay, so you could say that, and then you'd put in your email address. Okay, so that's all we do, and we just filled out everything here. We personalized it, so it's going to seem like it's for the person. We use disqualifiers. We're just going to say okay, and then we'll click this button, which is continue. Now, the next screen we got is, it says this posting has 0 images. Upload the best image first, it will be featured. So we can add images here if we want. So I'm just gonna add a few images to make it, spice it up a little bit. You would just do earn money from home. I'd go in here, I type in some images, and I could just easily, go like this, copy. See, I say copy image address right there. Go back to Craigslist, add images, just post it in here. Click open. This is not necessary, but I would suggest you do this to if you want to make it better. Boom! So our images are uploaded right there, and we click done with images, and voila. Boom! So that was easy. We just published a post. We got some pictures in it. We got our links in it. Now, a few things to note is some location, depending on where you're posting on Craigslist, some locations will ask to try to charge money. Craigslist will say maybe it's $3 to do a post, okay? If it charges $3 to do a post, first of all, you could pay for the post. It's $3, it's worth it. Or you could find another location that doesn't charge, okay? Craigslist doesn't charge every location around the world. So you could try that out. Second thing that might pop up is Craigslist might not like a link or something that you post, okay? They might say that they don't like ClickBank links. They might say that they don't like share a sale links. They might say that they don't like Bitly links or whatever. I'm not totally sure, but what you can do if that's the case is put your link in docs.google.com. Now, I don't have enough time in this video to show you, but basically you'll just go to docs.google.com. You will paste your link into docs.google.com, and then you will share your Google Doc link, okay? And there are other link shorteners that you can try out. Google has its own link shortener. Facebook has its own link shortener. Other companies have their own link shorteners that you can use in lieu of a ClickBank link or a Bitly link if those aren't working. So those are some common things, but remember, the obstacle is the way, and Craigslist has quality traffic from 50 million Americans. So get on there, make it happen, get that traffic. I showed you 2 methods to make money with this method. So go out there, send your messages, post up your gigs, and let's make some money together. Subscribe, like, comment, #1 money channel on YouTube, right here, John Crestani. We're making money together, and I want to see you become more successful. I want to be more successful, of course, as well. And I'll catch you in the next video. And make sure to check out some of my other playlists on free traffic methods that you can do, as well as paid advertising methods you can do, and being an entrepreneur, mindset, copywriting. Check out some of my playlists. There's a lot of knowledge here, and I want to see you take things to the next level so you can make more money. Talk to you soon, John. Peace.